All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house to show you a little trick here for this slider. So this is the fancy Zircuitai bulletproof shield, as you can see. It's a very expensive one, so I still have to play with this fella because I don't want to scratch it because it was crazy expensive. So I want to preserve the pristine look on the inside because these guys, when you play with them, you're gonna scratch them. So I got this Teflon tape, which you can just measure, like for example, let's say like this part over here, we can just cut something like that. All right, and then you just apply on one side. Let's say we're gonna use, I don't know, this side over here, doesn't really matter. You just peel it off and you apply, let's say, starting like from this point, something like that. Making sure it's like pretty straight. Here you go. Just press it nicely and grab your whatever knife and then just go along the lines. Like for example, let's do like this. So you see, you just cut away. Here you go. So you have like a nice set of edges with no tape sticking out. This is fine. There you go. And this last bit right over here. And the corner as well. So that's done. There you go. So now I can play with this. And by the way, it's still gonna be making sound. The only thing is gonna be a little bit more like slidey. A little bit quieter. It's not as loud as before, but still you can produce some nice sound. Oops. You can still, you know, play with it. Yeah. The magnetism is intact and also the inside is gonna stay intact. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.